How to create a group chat on Facebook. Wanna chat with your whole gang in one place? Let's create a group chat on Facebook. Super fast and easy. First, unlock your phone, open the Facebook app. But we are not stopping here. Now, tap the messenger icon at the top right. See that little pen and paper icon in the corner? Tap that to start a new message. Now, scroll through your friend list or search names of people you want to add. Select at least 2 or more to create a group. Once you have picked everyone, tap Create at the top right. Ta-da! You are now in a group chat. Wanna name your squad something cool like Weekend Planners or Meme Lords? Tap the group name area and edit it. Bonus tip: you can also change the chat color, emoji, and even set a group photo by tapping the group's info icon. Make it totally your vibe. And boom! You have successfully created a group chat on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.